So guys, here in this section we will do the algebraic identities. We have 8 algebraic identities, I remember, 8 or 9 maybe. Let's do one by one. The first identity we have, it's x plus y whole square. What will be the value of it? You know this thing, but still I am writing x square plus 2xy plus y square. The second identity we have is x minus y whole square. It is x square minus 2xy plus y square. The third identity, it's x square minus y square is equals to x plus y, x minus y. Identity 4, x plus a multiplied by x plus b. It's x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. Identity 5, x plus y plus z whole square. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2 multiplied by xy plus yz plus zx. Identity 6, x plus y whole cube, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy multiplied by x plus y. Identity 7, x minus y whole cube, it's x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. All will be in minus, here all in plus, here all in minus. And the last one is x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals minus 3xyz. So the eighth one, it's a bit complicated. What will be the value? So after this, we will do some problems of all the 8 identities one by one. So the first identity, x plus y whole square, taking y as 3. So x plus 3 whole square, what will be? X square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square. So x square plus 6xy plus 9. Identity 2, x minus y whole square. If I have to find 99 whole square, what will be the value 99? I can say like 100 square minus 100 minus 1 whole square. So 100 square is 10,000, so it will be 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 square. So 10,000 minus 200 plus 1. So 9800 1, 9801. What we have, x plus y, x minus y. So if we are asked to multiply 51 into 49, how we will do it? So write like this, 50 plus 1 and 50 minus 1. So 50 square minus 1, 2499. Okay. Fourth identity, x plus a multiplied by x plus b. So 95 multiplied by 96, we are supposed to ask. What can I say? 95 as 90 plus 5, 96 as 90 plus 6. What was the identity value here? X square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. Here 90 square plus 5 plus 6 multiplied by 90 plus 5 into 6. 90 square is 8100. 5 multiplied by 6. So it will be 11 multiplied by 90. So it will be 5 plus 6, 11, 9900. Sorry, 11 multiplied by 90. So 990. 990 and 30. So 8130, 90. So 8230 and 90. 9130, I guess. Check with the calculator. I guess 9130 it will be the answer, or 9120 maybe. Yeah. Now the rest 4, it is a big elaborative, but we will do one by one. Is x plus y plus z whole square. Ignore my bad handwriting. So if we are supposed to calculate the value of 115 square, we can do by that. How? 100 plus 10 plus 5. Okay. So putting the value here, all the three. So x as 100, y as 10, and z as 5. What will be? 100 square plus 10 square plus 5 square plus 2 multiplied by 100 into 10, 10 into 5, 5 into 100. 100 square is 10,000, 10 square is 100, 5 square is definitely 25. Here it's 1000 plus 50 plus 500. Sum together that will be 1500, 1550. So 1550 multiplied by 2, it will give 3100. It is 10,000. So 10,000 plus 3100. So 13,100 plus 100. So 13,200 plus 25. It will give 13,325. That will be the answer. You can do by the calculator, or you can calculate by summing in these 3. I guess NCERT doesn't allow calculator for you. So this way you can do. Later, the 6th identity, it's more complicated. The last identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Suppose we have calculated to 8x cube, y cube, z cube. Yeah, that thing I can take from the book. 8x cube, y cube, 27 z cube, I guess. Yeah, 27 z cube minus 18xyz. Put in the same thing here. What we have as x plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy plus yz plus zx. Okay. So what we have in x here, we have 2x. So it will be 2x plus y minus plus 3z multiplied by x square. So 4x square plus 9z square plus y square minus xy. So 2x into y, 2xy plus yz. So 3yz plus 6zx. So all the identities are explained here. You can check from it and find the values. Thank you. X plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Now if you have the question supposed to calculate the value of 21 square, 21 cube, you can do by multiplying 1 by 1, but you can do like that also. So 20 plus 1 cube. How it will be done? 20 plus 1 cube. So 20 cube it will be 2, 8, 8 and then 3 0, 8000. 1 cube 1, 3xy, so 3, 20 and 1 multiplied together plus x plus 1, so 20 plus 1. So 8,000 plus 1 plus that will be 60 multiplied by 21. So 8,000 plus 1 plus 1260, so 9261. That will be the value. The seventh identity we have is similar to this. It's x minus y cube. What we will have in x minus y cube? X cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Suppose we have asked to calculate 29 cube. So 30 minus 1 cube. You can calculate like this. Putting the value here, 30 minus 1 cube, so 30 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 30 into 1 into 30 minus 1. So 30 cube is 27 and then 3 zeros minus 1 minus 3 into 30, so 90 multiplied by 29. 90 multiplied by 29, it will be 2610. You can check it, but I think it will be 2610. So 27000 minus 1 minus 2610. It will be a big calculation, man. So it will be 9, it will be 8, it will be 3, then it will be 5 and 2. So 2, 5, 3, 8, 9. That is the answer. So all the identities are explained. The last two identities, the last identity is a big complicated one. We will do it and then we will finish it. The chapter will be completed. So if you have any queries, any doubts, you can make comments and you can also share the video to get more. Thank you.